The first way to check iShares gold dividends or its historical data.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Is this website. It's called stockanalysis.com, and this is one of my favorites because we have an overview of the asset, iShares Gold Trust, IAU. We have the holdings, we have the history. As you can see, they started all the way back in 2025, and it's been in an uptrend ever since in 2024. You can scroll down and you can locate and see their historical data. You go to the top right hand screen, click the drop down from 1 year, 5 years to 10 years. You can even download the data, and you can see here is the open and the close. You can even locate their chart. It's the same thing as history. It just shows you that it's currently in an uptrend. And if you were to scroll down under, let's say, overview, history, it should say here the returns as far as how much they bring in dividends. But that's how you find it completely for free. Another website is stockscan.io. This one is also pretty self-explanatory. You have different charts here. If you were to scroll down, you can even check right here, stock split, and now you can see here the date, the split, and the different ticker symbols, what they hold, what they don't hold. Although this is just one thing, it's IAU. But yeah, check out these two websites. I'll leave a link down in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found value, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more free tutorials.